We're in Stockholm, baby. Hello everyone, and we are in Stockholm, Sweden. We actually arrived in the middle of the week. We didn't do much yet, but we tried to kind of, let's say, fix the house, fix everything that we needed to have a smooth experience, and damn, a lot of good, quite exciting news to tell you. We basically came to the city to participate on this cohort, on this Accelerator program. Shout out to Jacob that also participated in Antler. I believe that he participated in Antler New York, but we are participating in Antler Stockholm. So my co-founder Alec, come here Alec, say hi.
What's up?
Yeah, so Alec is from South Africa, but he's living in Amsterdam. I am from Brazil, but I'm living in Estonia, and we came together to participate on the program. We're super excited about it, super stoked. That's going to be super cool. So yeah, today we're trying to settle in, finish everything we need to be a smooth journey from here on. We are buying this whiteboard today, and we're going to try to validate a couple of ideas today with a couple of brainstorms. And okay, so we experienced quite an interesting thing. Interesting to say the least. And yesterday we went out for a run, and Alec got himself locked in the bathroom for 3 whole hours. Well, I must say that he must have reflected a lot during that time.
So many startup ideas.
So many startup ideas. So yeah, keep watching. We're going to talk about it soon. Yeah, let's do it. Hey, first day of Antler. We're walking to the office, very excited, anxious at the same time, but a great day ahead of us. We are going to have a lot of meetings today, intro. We're going to watch a couple of different workshops, get to meet everyone on the cohort as well. But yeah, as you can see, we are on the beautiful Stockholm, and we're going to bring more news for you soon. Alright, so we're finally at Antler. We have waited around 2 months to come. We were super stoked, super excited to be here. Stockholm, beautiful city. Take this out, Alec. Amazing city. We're so stoked to be here. It's so great. Right now is finally the moment to tell you about what we're building, and super excited about. We actually just had a meeting, a great meeting, and we decided a great narrative that we are going to bring that product on the market with. Honestly, it was a ride. It was a wild ride, and we changed a lot of things. We pivoted a lot, but that's the startup life, right? But now we finally feel like, damn, we landed on something great. We landed on something that is going to be the next billion-dollar idea. Look at this guy, Alec. Alright, let me tell you a little bit about how we came up with this idea, because damn, it was a journey. And on the beginning of the year, we were actually building this software engineering management tool. Quite a mouthful, but it was a great tool actually, and it was quite fun building it. But damn, what a pain it was to integrate payments on that platform and all the boring stuff, right? There's a reason on why boilerplates exist, and they are becoming so popular nowadays. And yeah, we started integrating it, struggled a lot, and we realized that, hey, we need a business entity to actually start accepting payments. We need to start handling tax and compliance. And then we said, dude, let's scratch that. Let's build our own. Let's make people lives easier. We know everyone wants to build something of their own. Everyone is doing a side project. If you're watching this channel, you are most probably 90% sure building something of your own, and you know how cool and fun that is. But then when that boring part starts coming up, you just lose a lot of motivation, right? We just want to help our fellow developers, our fellow friends, fellow indie hackers, and yeah, we want to make your lives easier. And man, we are building Cream. Cream is going to make everything smoother for you, man. Your life is going to be happy again. You're going to be the happy indie hacker that is finally doing revenue on the internet. Like handling payments, integration with CRM, analytics, all that boring shit. We're going to do that for you. And honestly, we are seeing a lot of people being able to build super cool products without a lot of experience. And that's super cool. You don't need 10 years of experience in engineering. Like 5 years ago, 10 years ago, everything was so much harder. But now with all these no-code tools, tools, all the access to information, online courses, everything's so much easier. And we want to make all the boring stuff that you need to do so much easier as well. So yeah, that's what we're doing and we're super excited about it. We're going to bring a lot more content now about our building process. Oh, hashtag build in public, you should be building as well, mark me on it. And yeah, let's do it. Hello everyone, we just got our first customer. Woo! Alright, so as you know, we already talked about a lot of the features that we were planning for Cream. We were not really sure, what to do next, but well, that's the beauty of having a customer, right? You don't need to actually do any guesswork or try to understand what should be most valuable. So yeah, now we just talked with him, and after we got this first customer, we're super happy. We're popping a champagne bottle today, and we just realized that test mode that we started implementing, that we thought it was super relevant and super needed for people to start using the platform. Hey, guess what? It's not really needed. It was not needed for this first guy that started integrating with us. And what we realized was that we actually needed boring stuff. Boring stuff alert. Local currencies, right? So people can actually give prices to their customers or to their partners in a way that it was already matching the currency of their country. And we also needed some type of checkbox or some type of option to be able to add VAT tax on top. So if you are not from Europe, that are listening to this video right now, or watching this video obviously, if you are not from Europe, in here we have this VAT tax that we need to charge on top of any products or services that we are charging for the customer. And well, obviously we need to put that into the product, right? So it just makes it easier for people to put dynamic pricing or any way that they wish to put that product in. So yeah, big learnings today. Super happy, super excited about our first customer. Now we need to get building again soon. The whiteboard is coming soon. And yeah, let's get to building. All right, what you got there for lunch, Alec?
So we're having a kickling wrap.
What does that mean even?
Kickling is chicken and hummus wraps.
Ah,
Lovely.
kickling is what, chicken?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Hello everyone, final day of the first week. We're taking a rest day. Cheers to the first week, Alec.
Ching ching.
Ching ching. Man, that was an awesome week. Tiring, but awesome. We did so much this week actually. In fact, I must say that working together and being on the same space together and just building the company and thinking about the company every single day and every single minute, that does make a difference. Of course, if someone asks me, hey, you need to do that to build a company, to build something meaningful, of course, no, I don't think. Of course, it's possible to do that, but that's a big advantage. In fact, I know that a lot of the early Twitch founders, they say that this made a big difference for them, especially on the beginning, to be on the same place, to always be talking about the company, to be sleeping on the same place. And yeah, we're trying to replicate that feeling, and I think that it does make a big difference on our ability to execute. We shipped a lot this week. How many features we shipped this week?
Well, I think we ship at least 5, on average 1 a day. We shipped test mode, we shipped tax, dynamic taxes, we shipped more pricing models, recurring payments. We shipped, did I say test mode? But it's a test. Pricing page. Yeah, quite a lot of things.
It was very, very productive week for us guys. And we are beginning to see something that is actually really valuable and people would be able to extract a lot of value from the product. And I must tell you, our next plans, our go-to-market strategy, it's so exciting. It's looking very good. And I'm sure that a lot of you already used boilerplates before. Big example of this right now is that got the Ship Fast boilerplate from Mark Lu. Peter Levels went to Lex Friedman this week. We are getting mainstream, guys. Indie hacking is getting mainstream. And it's obvious that it's going to be more and more popular. It's such a nice concept. It's such an easier way to build. It democratizes access to online businesses so much. And nowadays, the tools that we have, the information access that we have, it's so much easier to build something that is actually good, right? And it's just obvious that it's going to continue growing. And we want to serve these people. We want to serve you. And yeah, we are super excited about it. But anyway, we're going to bring a lot more content during these weeks. We are making a commitment of one video per week at least, and a lot of more cool stuff is going to come as well. But yeah, to a successful week 1 and a lot more ones to come.
Ching ching.
Cheers, guys. We'll talk to you on the flip side.